Jimmy, I suppose it happens 50-50. Sometimes you get good decisions, sometimes not, as this case.
नहीं ठीक है, आई थिंक बिकॉज ये चलता रहता है अच्छे और बुरे डिसीजन। मेरे ख्याल से बट क्रेडिट देना चाहिए इरफान पठान को, खासकर हिंदुस्तान के लिए। जब भी हिंदुस्तान को यहाँ पे अर्ली ब्रेक थ्रू चाहिए थी, वहां इरफान ने दी, और जब भी इसने प्रोवाइड किया अर्ली ब्रेक थ्रू, तो वो मैच इंडिया ने जीता ही है।
But did get the inside edge and might have been drifting down leg. But Shahid Afridi bowled by a beautiful delivery.
Yeah, I think that's a very important delivery, important wicket in the sense that Shahid Afridi is capable of just taking the game away from you. And the ball coming in beautifully. I think Irfan Pathan got a swing back. And when the ball comes in, Shahid Afridi generally struggles. I think with a good delivery, good line and length.
Lovely to see the centre stump go back and
बहुत
use
ही अच्छा आउटस्विंग था, बहुत ही अच्छा आउटस्विंग था, और जो चेज किया उन्होंने, और अगर मैं समझता हूँ बहुत ही अच्छी गेंद कर रहे हैं। कल भी हमने देखा, आज भी देखा, जनरेटेड गुड पेस और बहुत अच्छी मूवमेंट थी।
No question about it. Smart catch by Dhoni, but of course national movement of the ball. Next to go, fine sweep by Shoaib Malik. He was there for quite a while, and a greater catch by Yuvraj Singh.
Absolutely, I think as जैसे कहते हैं catches win matches, अगर आप ऐसे catches लेंगे तो कोई भी टीम को आप हरा सकते हो। और ये full blooded shot है, और I think युवराज के wrong side पे है। I think brilliant stuff.
Well, it makes such a big difference to have a good fielder there, and Ramesh Pawar picked up yet another, and well, timed it well, made it look simple, Raina.
Yeah, brilliant catch by Raina, but I thought it was superb bowling there by Ramesh. But I think it's a very, very important wicket in the sense that when you lose two quick wickets, and when you're chasing, when a guy like Ibn Zamam playing very well on the other end, but I thought this was a very, very crucial wicket there. Well bowled Ramesh Pawar.
And then, of course, Akmal just was not informed today and misread this one completely.
अगेंस्ट स्पिन जो स्टेट वन था, जो दूसरा कहते हैं, और उसको ऑन साइड भी खेलने की कोशिश की, लीडिंग एज लगा, उसका कैच हो गया।
Well, he just was completely out of sorts. Normally, he's a very good, big performer for Pakistan.
वेरी गुड परफॉर्मर, वेरी गुड परफॉर्मर, गलती हो गई, ऑन साइड भी खेलने की कोशिश की।
And then, of course, Razak, who could have turned the game around, went for a big slot too early in the day, straight to Kef.
बहुत ही कोशिश की उन्होंने, इज अ बिग हिटर एंड इज अ मैच विनर फॉर पाकिस्तान, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली couldn't clear the field and was caught.
Of course, an even better catch was to come a little later on to dismiss Rana Naveed Al-Hassan. This, of course, straight down the throat of Kef. But how about this one, Shika?
I think it was a superbly judged catch, because in the sense that when you're on the boundary line, I think he went on the sideways to take the catch. If he had gone backwards, he would have probably gone back and touched the ropes. But I thought it was, considering the fact that there was a little bit of pressure on the fielders, I thought it was a superbly judged catch. See the main balance and head is very well balanced, cool, and took it very, very coolly. I think great catch by Venugopal. One of the turning points in the match, I would say.
And celebration was certainly in the order. And finally, well, the run out that was very important from the Indian perspective, and Rahul Dravid, rarely does he show this kind of emotion.
नहीं, आई थिंक ये मेरे ख्याल से फर्स्ट टाइम है कि राहुल को यहाँ पे लगा कि ये जो इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच कितने इंपॉर्टेंट होते, कितने इमोशंस यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं, और मेरे ख्याल से कैप्टन वो चाहते थे कि ये मैच जीते हैं, और ये जो एक तरह का सीजन जो खत्म हुआ होम सीरीज का और आसपास का, और ये फिर फाइनल विकेट श्रीनाथ ने जो टिपिकल टेल एंडर्स को बॉल किया जाता है, and good victory, I think, brilliant victory for India.
No question.